Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and sorry last some days I was busy. Here is some animal design, here is a preview, and here is official files with different format. Here is AI APS for Adobe Illustrator, PNG you can use anywhere, and DFX. Here is I think XD file and PSD for Photoshop, and here is I think SVG file. Okay, total five different design in here, but these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so first check preview. Here is a beer. Wow, you can change color, you can change everything, or you can computerize some designs in like a lines. Here is a bull. Wow, so you can apply on t-shirt, bag, anywhere. Here is line, fox, fish, elephant is here, just a face of elephant. And here is a rom. Oh, okay. Panther. Here is a dog, and devil is here. Okay, main file is here, and total file is 1718 in 294 folders. Okay, so you can edit any software like Adobe Illustrator, XD, to Photoshop. Okay, wow, I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.